Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Mechanics of Making Money. In today's digital age, making money online has become a sought-after skill, and with platforms like Bubble.io, it's more accessible than ever. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is Bubble.io? Well, it's a platform that allows you to build your own web applications, all without needing to know a single line of code. Imagine that, creating your very own apps without the technical hassle. But here's where it gets even better. Not only can you build apps on Bubble.io, but you can also make a steady income from it. Yes, you heard that right. There are several ways to monetize your Bubble.io skills, even if you're not a coding whiz. So if you're interested in leveraging this platform to boost your income, you're in the right place. First things first, you need to set up an account on Bubble.io. This is a straightforward process that anyone can tackle with ease. Start by heading over to the Bubble.io website. Look for the Get Started button. Click on it to kick off your journey. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Remember to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled out your details, hit the Sign Up button to create your account. You may be asked to verify your email address. If so, simply head over to your email, find the verification email from Bubble.io, and click on the link inside. Voila! You now have a Bubble.io account. And the best part? Signing up is completely free. Once you've set up your account, you're ready to start making money. One of the main ways to make money on Bubble.io is by building apps. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't know how to code. Well, that's the magic of Bubble.io. This platform is designed specifically for people like us, who want to build and monetize apps without getting tangled up in complex coding languages. Imagine having a canvas in front of you, where you can simply drag and drop elements to create your app. That's exactly what Bubble.io provides. It's like building with blocks, but these blocks come with a variety of functions and features. You can add buttons, text boxes, images, videos, maps, and many more elements to your app. And the best part, you don't need to write a single line of code to make them work. But what if you're not sure where to start? No worries, Bubble.io has got you covered. The platform offers a wide variety of templates that you can use as a starting point. Whether you want to create a social network, a marketplace, or a productivity tool, there's a template for that. You can then customize these templates to match your vision and needs. Once you've built your app, the next step is to monetize it. There are several ways to do this. You can charge users a fee to download your app. You can also offer in-app purchases or premium features for an additional cost. Another option is to display ads in your app and earn revenue each time these ads are viewed or clicked. So you see, Bubble.io is not just a tool for building apps, it's a platform for creating value. It empowers you to turn your ideas into reality and your creativity into income. You're not just building an app, you're building a business. Even without coding skills, you can create something of value and make a profit. So why wait? Start building your app on Bubble.io today and let the world see what you have to offer. Another way to make an income from Bubble.io is by offering freelance services. Now you might be wondering, what kind of services could I possibly offer? Well, let's delve right into that. Picture this. There are tons of businesses out there, both big and small, who are looking to build apps but don't have the in-house expertise. They need someone with the know-how to bring their vision to life. That's where you come in. With your Bubble.io skills, you can help these businesses create the apps they need. And the best part? You get paid for it. But like any other freelancing gig, it's all about networking. It's about reaching out to potential clients, showing them what you can do, and building relationships. Whether it's through social media, networking events, or good old-fashioned word of mouth, getting your name out there is key. There is the option where you can offer your work via Upwork, like we mentioned in a previous video. And of course, nothing speaks louder than a strong portfolio. Make sure to showcase the apps you've created on Bubble.io, especially those that have achieved success. Remember, your portfolio is your ticket to landing high-paying clients. It's the proof of the pudding, so to speak. But don't just stop there. Always strive to learn and improve. The tech world is ever evolving, and staying on top of the latest trends and innovations will keep you ahead of the game. With the right approach, you can turn your Bubble.io skills into a lucrative freelancing gig. So why not give it a shot? Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Lastly, you can make money by teaching others how to use Bubble.io. Imagine this. You've spent some time on Bubble.io, you've built an app or two, and you've discovered the ins and outs of the platform. The skills you've developed are not only valuable to you, but they can be beneficial to others as well. This is where the idea of creating online courses or tutorials about Bubble.io comes into play. You can compile your knowledge into a comprehensive course, breaking down complex concepts into digestible lessons. Once you have your course ready, you can publish it on online learning platforms and set a price for it. Alternatively, you can create tutorial videos and upload them on platforms like YouTube. If your tutorials gain traction, you can earn money from ad revenue. The potential income from course sales or ad revenue can be quite significant. By sharing your knowledge, you can not only help others but also earn money. And there you have it, guys. Those are some ways to make an income from Bubble.io without knowing how to code. We've explored setting up an account, building apps, offering freelance services, and even teaching others about Bubble.io. It's all about leveraging your skills, creativity, and the vast potential of Bubble.io. So why not take the leap today? Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share so you see our future videos pop up on your newsfeed. Stay safe out there, guys.